Muingi ni ukoragwo kinyita itemi ria bata miturire-ini ya ciana na uguo riendekithia ria gukuruhania muingi mathomo-ini ta uria riboti ya kamiti ya mwanya igi mendekithia ma mogaruruku megi mathomo yendekithitie ni undu gukorwo na uguni munene.
She scored an A-.
Ino ni miario ya mutumia wa munini wa president Pastor DORCAS RIGATHI ari thukuru-ini wa airetu wa Kahuhia kaunti-ini ya Murang'a hende ya muthi wa o mwaka wa gutuga arutwo aria mekete wega mathomo-ini mao.
The proposal of integrating community service in our schools education system is not only timely but a great opportunity to ingrain values of giving back into our children at a tender age. In line with my office vision, a dignified future for vulnerable populations, community service calls on everyone to give back their time and resources to the less fortunate and the vulnerable without expecting anything back.
Na hari mubango uria wabici ya DORCAS ikoretwo naguo wa kwagirithia miturire ya aria magumirwo ni ukia augite utungata kuri muingi ni undu ubatie gwikirirwo ni andu othe guku akiuria arutwo aya gwikirira kio mathomo-ini mao na oho akoria Mbeu njithi kuhimbiria urimi kuona uri na mieke mingi ya mundu kwiyandika wira.
I am working around the clock and having a program I'm calling youth and farming, so that we can be able to have that succession management where our parents are leaving behind and making sure that even our children will be interested in farming. I am a farmer myself, and I think I make a lot of money.
Nake mubunge wa Kiharu Ndindi Nyoro augite thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza ni hothete hari kwambatiria ikero cia mathomo guku bururi-ini na njira ya gutigirira githomo ni giathukirwo kigina gia kuigana guku akiuria arutwo mahuthire mweke uria mari naguo wa guthoma mundu atekurora hari aumite.
Don't focus on what you don't have. Inaweza kuwa mzazi wako alikuja hapa miguu, hamuna gari, hata nyumba unaenda ni ya matope. Focus on what God has already given you. That is your strength. And God can transform the weakness you think you have into a strength. And He's already doing that.
Gerifotera KAMITI TV ni njitagwo Wangui wa Mwiruri.